So today we're going to switch the battery for remote control for a 2016 Dodge Journey. The battery size is 2033, well, it's 2032. And the best way to take it out is when it's on key, but mine don't have it, so you can actually use a spoon to pop it open. Just put it in the side, right here. It's the size. Now what you need to know about the battery is that it has, most people don't know this, but it has the top, it has a, let's show, let me take it out so you can see. So here, the side is the negative, the bottom is the positive. So you're gonna put it in like this. Let me just go ahead and put the new one out. Like this. So it's the old teeth proof. Just give me 1 second, let me open it up. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you when that's what I had next to the light. So when the battery stops working, the car won't open far away. It won't even open when from close up. It wouldn't even open when you're next to it. You gotta press that button on the back of the car to unlock it, or when you get close enough, you'll do the auto open, auto unlock. What you do, just remove this. So make sure you see how it says the plus sign showing down. You can see right there. So what you gotta do is you gotta make sure this goes in the metal part. Gotta push it in. Just like that. And you just pop it back on. So, and what's panic button? You see now you can see it actually locks and unlocks. Before you have to get close enough to unlock it, but now that's what happens when the batteries are going dead. Now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you like the video. If you don't, then thanks for watching.